guys, Master Owen here. Just onto the way to the public park where me and Master Bosgra are gonna do the vinegar and baking soda experiment, but with a twist.
Yeah. You put vinegar in a water bottle, and then you get baking soda, and you put in saran wrap, and then you put it in the water bottle.
And then you close the water bottle, shake it up, and hopefully the water bottle will explode. Yeah.
And we'll show you a clip of it exploding. It has exploded in my hand before, but it didn't hurt.
Yeah, it's, remember to like and subscribe, and, here we go. You guys will see in a minute when we are ready. Okay, now we're just putting the baking soda in the bottle. Cap. Now we gotta shake it up. Here we go, guys.
Oh, it's not screwed on right.
Oh.
Okay, ready?
Wait. Guys, 5-second like and subscribe challenge. If you can like this video and subscribe in 5 seconds, then you get a cookie. Okay.
Okay, ready?
Here we go. 3. Okay, 2. Throw it! Grenade!
Oh, right.
What happened?
Just wait.
Oh my god, it's actually you didn't. Oh my god! It's not on. It's blowing the cap off. It's blowing the cap off.
No, you don't open it.
I didn't. I closed it. It's blowing the cap off.
Pick it up and throw it.
It's blowing the cap off though.
3. No, not like that. Throw it up.
Oh my god, it's blowing the cap off. There's a hole through the cap. Whoa, guys.
Throw it up. Dylan, throw it up. Or not.
Guys, as you can see, all the gases from the explosion blew off the cap, blew a hole through the side there, and it went all over my camera. There's baking soda literally all over me. One throw for good luck. Yeah, there we go. Done. Hey guys, that was a pretty short video, but hope you guys liked it. Just a little science experiment. There will be Master Bosgra's link in the description. Hope you guys have a amazing day. Like and subscribe. See you guys later. Bye.